Hey, welcome back once again, Hidden Acres Outdoors. Today we're going to replace another queen in one of our other hives. The queen used to be great, and I think she's a little bit too old now, and they're trying to supersede her. And the bees have become very hostile. So what we have here in this cage, you can see her with the red dot crawling around in there. That is a mated Italian queen. We're going to place her in that hot hive and try and get that hive back under control. What's going to happen is between these attendant bees in here eating through the candy and the other bees eating through this end of the candy, this queen will be released and accepted, or she will be released and killed. Okay, I'm normally not suited up in a full bee suit, but my wife said these guys are evil, the spawns of Satan. So we're going to take every precaution. We're going to go in here and smoke them down here real quick. These guys are already mad, and we hadn't even been in the hive yet. So we're not really looking to do a hive check. She was in here the other day. I just want to get down to the brood chamber and place this new queen we have. This box is absolutely slam full of honey. I'm smoking them heavier than normal because of the aggression reports we had out of this hive. Now, reports were that they were most aggressive in this brood chamber here on the bottom. So we'll be ready. I used to work this hive barehanded with nothing but a veil. Boy, if they could get to me right now. And I'm liable to get stung through this suit before it's all said and done. Take a look down in here, see what we're dealing with. Gazillions of bees. We would have another super on this if we had another 8-frame super, but we don't. I would advise you to either go 10-frame or 8-frame and make all your frames the same. We've got a little bit of brood in here, but not much. I'm thinking the old girl finally gave up the ghost, because I'm telling you, they are not happy. And if they could get to me right now, I'd have 6,000 stings already. If I find this girl, she's dead. Because this behavior is unacceptable. Very aggressive, very little brood. What we're going to do right now is check the bee reaction to this new queen, and we'll know real quick whether this is going to work. Let's take a look. Yeah, I ain't so sure how this is going to work. We may be sacrificing that queen. Alright, you can see how these bees are still going after me. If you get a hive like this, the worst thing you can do is start swatting at bees and turning around and running, because we're going to go over here about 20 yards and there's going to be a lot of them that stay with me. I'm not coming out of this bee suit until I get way away from these devils. And that's all we're going to do in the beehives today. Now I think we may just sacrifice that queen, but the odds of finding her in that mess, even if they've got one, I mean, we saw a little bit of capped brood, but not nearly enough to what we used to get in a brood pattern out of that hive. So she may have kicked the bucket in the past couple of weeks, and this is the last of her offspring being born. So, got any hints or suggestions or what you do with a hive like this? We're all ears. Till next time, we'll see you from Hidden Acres Outdoors. Bye.